part 1, we finished this part off. So now we're going to get into part 2. So it looks like it really depends how long this one takes. So I'm not quite sure myself. If this goes by real fast, I might as well just do part 3. But again, it really depends how fast we go on this one. So now we're going to take this piece right here and we're going to take this piece right here and we're going to take this piece right here. We're going to tab this in. And we're going to take this piece right here and tab this in. And then this will come in like so. And then this will just tab in like that. And this is what you should have so far. And then we're going to set that to the side for a little bit, for just a moment. So we're going to take this part right here, 2 of these pieces right here. We're going to take these 2 pieces right here, and then we are going to take, it should be around here somewhere. We're definitely going to take this piece right here, and we are going to take 4 of these pieces. What's going to happen is we are going to tab these 2 in right here, and we're going to take this right here and tab this in like so, and then this is going to okay, so this is going to tab in like so 4 times. Once we got that done, we're going to tab this in just like that. Looks like a boat, I know. Is we're going to take 4 of these pieces right here. In my previous video, I got like cramp and then just like started aching for a bit. And then we're going to tab this in like that, right here. Okay, yeah, right here. And we're going to tab these in, and tab these in. Like so. And then we are going to take 2 more of these pieces along with these filter pieces. I call them filter pieces, they look like filters. Unless you have a better name, let me know. So we're going to tab this in like so, and this in like so, and then this is just going to tab in. And after that, we're going to tab this in like so. And then what's going to happen is we're going to need 4 of these pieces. And you are going to tab them in on both sides. Just like that. And then you're going to cover them just like that. There you go. And then what's going to happen is you're going to turn this over, come under here. And you're going to take 2 of these pieces right here, and this is going to tab in like so, any way that they can go. And then you're going to take these 2 pieces, you're going to tab them in like so, and then this is going to tab in the middle like so. You're going to take 2 of these pieces right here, you're going to tab that in like so, and then we're going to take this piece right here and you are going to push that in like so. Now once you have that done, oh, there's actually one more piece. One more piece we're missing. Technically two, but it's one important step we're missing. You're going to take two of these pieces right here. So you're going to take two of these pieces right here, and you are going to tab them in. Like so. And then what's going to happen is you're going to tab this in. Like so. I mean, that kind of still works. It kind of still works. Anyways. So the next step, we are going to take this piece right here, and we are going to take this piece right here, and then this is going to tap in like so, and then this is going to tap in so. And once you got that done, you're going to take this and tab these in together, and then you are going to take this piece right here and this piece right here. You're going to tab this in, and then you're going to tab this in. You're going to repeat the same thing on the other side. And this is what you should have. I already went ahead and done this. All you gotta do is just attach it. Just like we did. And this is, according to the episode Thief in the Night, it takes 1,000 barrel oils to make Energon Cube. So, once that is done, you're gonna take this and we are going to tab you're going to tab all this in, and this is just going to see. Now, you start to see where this is going to go now. So this is just going to, yeah. So this is what's going to happen. There we go. We're going to leave it out like that. And then we're going to take these two pieces right here, and we are going to, so I did miss something. That was that we're going to take these pieces right here, and actually let me get this off so this isn't getting in the way. We're going to tab this in right here. Let me take that off. We're going to tab this in right here, and I think it's better if I just do it this way. And then you're just going to tab this in like so. There we go. Yay! Anyways. So for this, I'm going to go ahead and tab this in. I know I'm getting one step ahead, but it's just better to get this out of the way first. And then we can just go ahead and move this out of the way. So what's going to happen is I'm going to take two of these pieces right here and tab this in like so. And then we're going to tab this in like so. Where'd the other, okay. There we go. And now, we can go ahead and move this in the way. We're going to take these two pieces right here. And tab this in. Now do the same here. There's the hair, but yeah, do the same here. And then take these two pieces right here, and this is just going to tap in like so. No worries, it's still going to work. See? Pretty sure there is a way too. So, anyways, we already had and done this step. So now what's going to happen is we are going to take this piece right here and this piece right here and tab that in, and then we're going to put this part on right here, and we are going to tab this in right here. And what's going to happen is you're supposed to space this out by 1. So I'm going to go ahead and do this off screen. Okay, so I already went ahead and done this off screen. The original G1 Optimus Prime, or the original Generation 1 Optimus Prime toy, was released in 1984 in the US. The design of the toy itself was originally named Battle Convoy. Yeah, quite a few pages left. Alright, so we're going to put this to the side for now. And take this piece right here, and we are going to take this piece right here, and we are going to tab this in. And then we're going to take this piece right here, and then another piece right here. And what's going to happen is this is going to tab in, and this is going to tab in like so. So we're going to take this piece right here, and this piece right here, and this is going to tab in like that, and this is going to tab in like so. Then we're going to take this piece right here, tab that in, and take this piece, we're going to tab that in, and this is what you should have. And then we're going to take these two pieces, we're going to tab that in, and there should be another piece like this. Okay, there we go. We're going to tab that in, and then we're going to take this piece right here, we're going to tab that in, and this piece right here, tab that in, and then we're going to take should be another piece. There we go. We're going to tab this in right here. And we're going to take this piece, we're going to tab that in like so. This piece right here, tab this in, tab this in, take this piece right here, tab that in, and this is just going to tab in like that. So I guess we're going to set this to the side. So we're going to take this piece right here and take these two pieces and tab them in. Take this piece right here and tab that in, and this is what you should have. And you should take this piece right here and these two pieces right here, and you're going to tab this in. You're going to tab this in like so. And then you're going to take this piece right here and tab this in. And there should be another two pieces worth. I think I used those. I don't have the pieces that they're looking for, but I know there's something that could do. So they're saying is this is the pieces that you need right here, but I'm gonna go ahead and use substitute for that. I mean, they're gonna say the same, serve the same purpose. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. You know, it's whatever. As long as this does a job, I don't really care. So we're gonna tab this in, and then we're going to tab another one in like so, and this is going to tab in like so, and like so. See, you can see them kind of, but really it's not going to bother me, so it's whatever. Hey, I mean, if it bothers you, I mean, you do what you want to do. It's literally up to you, but to me it's not going to matter. So you're going to take this, these two pieces right here, the gray piece is going to tab onto the black piece, and you should, yeah, tab that in like so. You're going to turn it outside. You're going to take this piece and it's going to feed through like so. And then once you got that done, you're just going to tap that in. So now it won't go anywhere. Because if you do take that, it's going to, yeah, it's going to flop all around. So you don't want that to happen. So there we go. You can go ahead and glue that if you want. Alright, so we're on it, so on the side. So we are going to put that right there. So we're going to take this piece right here and this piece right here. So these two pieces right here, and then this piece is going to tab in like so, vice versa. Once you got that done, you are going to tab this in like so, tab this in like so. Oh wait, okay, now I'm using the wrong one. So you're just going to tab this in like so. Oopsies. So it needs to be something like this. See, I'll show you again. So, there we go. So now you can go ahead and turn it on that side. So you're going to take this piece right here, and I think what they want you to do is tab this in like so, and this is what you should have. And then once you got that done, you're going to tab this in like so. And then this is going to tab in right there. There you go. And then this is going to tab in like so. There you go. So now we need this piece right here, this piece right here, these two pieces right here, this piece right here, and this piece right here. What's gonna happen? This is gonna tap in like so, and this is gonna tap in, and this is going to tap in as well. We're gonna need one more piece. Okay, and once you got that done, there you go. Now we're gonna need this piece right here, and this piece right here, and this is gonna tap in like so. Put that to the side. All right, take two of these pieces, and then need two of these pieces right here. You're gonna tap that in, and tap that in, and repeat the same thing. There we go. Okay. All right, going to repeat the same thing, and just like I did right there, and then this is going to tap in. So the short side is going to be facing downward, and then that long side is going to face upward, like so. You're going to take this piece right here, you're going to tap this in, you're going to tap this in, and you're going to take these two pieces, and these are going to tap in, so on both sides. There we go. And then I'm going to go ahead and do this right now. You're going to take this piece and you're going to tap that in, and this is going to tap in like so. And this is what you should have. Okay, so now we're going to tap this in like so, and then this in like so. Now we're going to come right here, and this is all going to tap in like so. And what's going to happen is this is just going to tap in. You can go ahead and spin that. And this is going to tap in. I think this is supposed to just tap in. Like that. There you go. There you go. And that's it for part 2, or yeah, part 2. See you